Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find your Nubia Redmagic 8 Pro when you lost it somewhere in the room. And to do this, we'll need to set up our Google Assistant for lock screen, and you need to have Hey Google feature activated. You can check our previous video if you're not sure how to set it up. Now when it's ready, we can ask Google to either play any song or with the phrase "Where are you?" That way your phone will make a sound and it will be easy to find it. Let's try it out. Hey Google, where are you?
I'm stuck inside a device. Help. Just kidding. I like it in here.
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.